Hello dear student. Today start from the new topic. Your chapter number 7 is times goes on and the new topic name is which festival come first. Okay. Now let's start from this question. Given below are some festivals we are celebrating during the year. Look at the calendar of 2006 and to find the days on which this fall. Okay. So please all the students listen here from the second one side. Here will be a calendar of 2006 is are given to you. By using the calendar of 2006, we have to solve this. First of all, the given a table is given table. This is our first one column is what here will be the name of the festival. Already write it. Here will be date is already given to you. And the next one column we have to find out the date. Okay. It means the name of the festival is are given to you. Here will be Diwali, Pongal, Raksha Bandhan, Gandhi Jayanti, Milad un Nabi, Onam, Guru Nanak birthday, Guru Ravidas birthday, Christmas Day, and Bihu. Okay, these are the name of the festival. These are always celebrating in India. Okay, and second one column here will be a date is are given to you. Here will be it means what here in 2006 calendar according to a calendar of a 2006. Here will be Diwali is celebrated on the in month of October 21st October. It means by using the calendar of a 2006 we have to find out the 21st October. Okay, we have to find out the 21st October. It means what? It means your day is what? It will be Saturday. Okay, by using the calendar we have to write it. Okay, it means what? Next one festival is what? Pongal. Okay, Pongal it means what? In month of January month. Here will be 14th January is already given to you. Here now by using the calendar of 2006 we have to find out the day. Now see the in month of January calendar of 2006 in month of January. Here will be a in month of January. Here will be a Saturday. Okay. So please see the calendar of 2006 in month of January. See the in month of January 14th January. So now see the listen carefully. Here will be 14th January is what? Saturday. Which day? Here will be Saturday. It means your question is what is your table is are given to you. By using this table you have to write down this next festival Raksha Bandhan in month of August, 9 August. Okay, so we have to see the calendar of 2006 in month of August. We have to write down the which day we have to celebrate the Raksha Bandhan in calendar of 2006. Okay, so we have to write down the Wednesday. Obviously, Wednesday is already given to you in month of August. Next one is what? Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti every year celebrating the 2 October. Okay, according to our calendar of 2006, of 2 October is what? Here will be Monday. Next one is what? Onam. Sorry. Next one is what? Milad ut Nabi in month of April. Here will be 11th April. Here will be what? Tuesday. Next one is what? Onam in month of September. Here will be 5 September. It means what? Your day is what? Tuesday. According to a calendar of 2006, these are already given to you. By using the calendar of 2006, we have to write down the day. Okay, which day we have to celebrating the different festival. Okay, next one is what? Here will be Onam in month of September, 5 September. It means what? Here will be Tuesday. Next one is what? Guru Nanak birthday in month of November according to a calendar of 2006. We are to celebrating the 5th November according to a calendar. Which day is the celebrated? Sunday. Next one is what? Guru Ravidas birthday in month of February. We have to write down in month of February, 13th February. Okay, so we have to write down the Monday by using the calendar. Next one is was the Christmas Day. Always Christmas Day is the last festival of the year every year. This is December 2025. in month of month, which day is are celebrating is the Monday. Next one is what? Bihu. Okay, in month of April, here will be a 14 April. So which day we are to celebrating? Here will be Friday. Okay, this is our different types of festival is are celebrating in India. Okay, is the name of the festival, is the date is already given to do you, and the third column we have to find out the which day is are celebrating. Okay, this is our complete our table. Okay, now let's start from the next one question. Next one question is what? Arrange in festival in the order in which they come in the first. Okay, now we have to arrange this the festival in the order in which they are come in the first. Okay, now listen here, this is our festival is already given to you, date is already given to you. By using the date, which festival is the come first? Okay, now listen here, according to festival, now see the Pongal, here will be Pongal, which come with in month of January. Here will be 14th January is celebrating the according to a calendar of 2006. Okay, so please all the students listen carefully in month in the calendar of 2006. Okay, now next one is what? Here will be Pongal is celebrating the 14th month of January. It means we have to come first. Okay, according to date, we have to arrange the order. Which one will come first, then next, then next. It means that we have to write down the correct order. Correct order we have to write it. It means your question is what? Which festival come first? Okay, which festival come first? Is already given to us some festival. We are celebrating the during the every year. Okay, so we have to write down the which festival first. According to this festival, here will be a Pongal is our first. Why Pongal is our first? Because we are to celebrating in month of January. This is our 14th January. Okay. Now according to this date, we have to correct the order. Now next one is what? Here will be a Guru Ravidas birthday. Why? Because in month of February, okay, it means that in month of after January we will come here in month of February. We have to write down the which festival come first. After in month of January we have to come with February. In February month, which festival we have to come first? This is our 13th February. Here will be Guru Ravidas birthday. We have to write down the Guru Ravidas birthday. Okay, and the next festival we have to come with in month of April. Here will be after for February month, we will be March will be come here in a March, no festival. And the next start from the in month of April, it will be 11th April. You have to celebrating the Milad un Nabi. So we have to write down the third one is what? Milad un Nabi. Next one we have to celebrating is what? In month of April also, April 14, we have to celebrating the Bihu. Okay, so we have to write down the fourth one is what? Bihu. Okay, and the next one we have to write down the which come first after January, February, March, April. Next one is what? Raksha Bandhan. We are to celebrating the Raksha Bandhan in month of August, 9 August. Next one is what? 6. We are to celebrating the Onam. Where will be Onam is come from in month of September. After August, we have to come with the September. We are to celebrating the Onam. Next one is what? 7 number. We are to celebrating the after September. We have to October will be first. In month of October, we are to celebrating the Gandhi Jayanti. Next one is what? In month of November, we have to celebrating the in month Diwali. Sorry, in month of October, in month celebrating the Diwali. Okay, in month of 9, here will be a Guru Nanak birthday. Okay, we are to celebrating the 5th November according to a calendar of 2006. And the last one is was celebrating the Christmas Day. Here will be December 2000, December 25. Okay, this is our different festival. We have to arrange the correct order. Okay, it means what? Here will be arrange the festival in the order in which they are come in the year. Okay, this is our correct order. Okay, start from the next question. Which festival come in the beginning of the year according to a calendar of 2006? Your question is what? Which festival comes in the beginning of the year? This is definitely your Pongal is our this festival come in the beginning of the year. I already given to you arrange the festival in the order in which they are come in the. Next question, which festival comes at the end of the year? In the end of the year, always you are celebrating the Christmas day. This is our end of the year. Okay. This is all our question is dependent to which festival come first according to a calendar of 2006. You can be also solve the in the calendar of 2020. You have to write down the correct order which festival will become first. You have to write down the date. Okay. I hope everyone student get understood how can we solve the arranged order in the festival. Okay, which festival come first. Okay, and the next topic start from the next of this video and have a nice day.